environments. There are things that are created by nature.
Wathi mweru wa mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC ugikinyia muthia hakuhe miaka 40 ya kigeranio gia KCPE arutwo mirioni 1,406 557 nio marekire kigeranio kia mwaka wa 2023.
Thank you, sir.
Kurigana na Minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu uria urekereirie maumirira maya, murutwo wa mbere aregwatire marks 428, arutwo 8,523 makinyita makiria wa marks 400, arutwo 332,782 makinyita marks 300 na kwambatira.
There were 1,406,559 candidates who sat the KCPE examination in 28,533 examination centers across the country.
Hari arutwo aya 721,548 marari mwana gikiari gicunje kia 51.30 hari igana, no airitu 687 gicunje kia 48.70 hari igana, namba ya imwana ikionekana gukira ya airitu ikirigithanio na miaka ya ica ikuhi.
Gender parity is slightly shifted in favor of male at 51.30 and a female at 48.70.
Mathomo maria arutwo mekite wega gukirigithanio na mwaka muhituku ni githungu, mathomo ma waraniria na ciiko, wandiki wa composition, imwana cikionekana gwika wega mathomo-ini ma mathabu na science, nao airetu githungu, githweri na mathomo ma waraniria na ciiko.
English composition, Kiswahili Insa, Kenya Sign Language, Mathematics, Science, Social Studies, and Religious Education recorded as right top in performance.
Arutwo eritu nio maranyitikanira na wishi wa igeranio, no na gukiri uguo murugamiriri munene wa kanji ya igeranio NEC David Jengere augite marakanjirwo mathomo maria maranyitikanire makiya, no ti kigeranio giothe. Na gukorwo ati giki nikio kigeranio kia muthia gia KCPE nikuhete thirikari mweke wa gutigirira arutwo othe aria marekire kigeranio ni maingira form 1 igana kwa igana. Machogu akiuga mutaratara wa kumenya thukuru iria arutwo magathio kabiriria tariki 27 mweri uyu, akiranira gutiri murutwo ukwaga kanya.
The fact that the 2023 KCPE examination cohort was derived under the 84-4 system has given the government's 100% transition policy from primary to secondary school greater importance. The placement process will start on Monday, the 27th November 2023 and conclude within a period of 2 weeks.
Ihinda-ini o riu, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang ni akidirite kurihwo kwa arimu aria maramakaga igeranio, akiranira gutigirira ona arutani aria maramaka igeranio cia KCSE ni makarihwo ihinda riria riagirire.
One of the candidates was found with unauthorized notes in the examination room, while the other candidate was found with a mobile phone in the examination room.
Subject eo arakorirwo arina malpractice ekoheo noti subject eo ici inge nacio ri aheo marks iria katea anyita, koguo marks ciake overall ni gukorwo cie nini hanini, but certificate yake no ikuma na agitikirio gwika atia muthie form 1.
Giribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Shege.